Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 5, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. Second row and third row, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, column F, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second grade and seventh row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Seventh row and eighth row we have pair numbers. Column G also we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column I we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. First row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. First row and eighth row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Now 4 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Sixth grade and fifth grade we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Sixth grade we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column F we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then fifth row only one number remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column G, column H we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining 8, 9, 6. Second row we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column E, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column G, 8th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 7th row and 8th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Column B, column C also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, 8th row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, column B, second row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Column G, first row we have pair numbers 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Second row we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 5. Column G, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. The 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then first row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 9, 8. Second grade, and column C VO1. So one can't come these cells, then only confirm here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then second grade, 8 and 9 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then only two numbers are remaining, second grade, 2 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. Third row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. The 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then sixth grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column H only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column I we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column G are ninth grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Seventh row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Seventh row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 9 also here. Second row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column A, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column A, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then first grade, third row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, three numbers are remaining, 7, 8 and 2. Ninth row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fourth row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then fourth grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Sixth row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Eighth row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column B we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column B and 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Ninth row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column F we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 8th grade and 7th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 5. Sixth row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Sixth row we have 8, so it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Sixth row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth grade, on column D, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Fourth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fourth row we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.